Hey, my name is Spencer Bauke, and I'm here for the Week 27 solution video for Power BI Workout Wednesday. In this week, we're going to be recreating a Tableau visualization from Sean Miller that was in Week 11 of the Tableau challenges for Workout Wednesday, so you can go and check that out. You can see a screenshot here, or you can see the actual challenge here for Week 11. Now, what Sean enables users to do in this visualization is to drill up and drill down in a level of hierarchy in Tableau. Now, if you're familiar with Tableau, you'll know that this is actually not the easiest thing to do, and that you're going to need to create some calculations, you're going to need to create some actions, depending on how you did it. The technique is not so straightforward. So we're going to recreate this in Power BI. And so using his data set that you can find, it's the Superstore data set, we're going to be creating our own visual or our own report that looks like this, that does the same thing. So let's make sure we understand what we're doing. Our hierarchy should consist of category, probably let's go back to his to make sure, category, subcategory. See the GIF again. Category, subcategory, and accessories. Oh, product name. Okay, there you go. So category, subcategory, product name. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go and create this ourselves. So we want a trend at the top and we want the bar chart with the sales at the bottom. So that should be easy enough. So as you can see, I do have this pretty cool title up here at the top. It was inspired by one of the visualizations I saw in the community galleries for Microsoft Community Gallery. So definitely a good place to go look for some inspiration. So let's go ahead and create my trend line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here, I'm going to take my date. No, let's see, and then I'm going to go to orders. I'm going to put in my sales, my y-axis. Oh, I used the date from the so I'm just going to use order date here. And yeah, let's just drag in order date. And let's see, for the level that I'm doing, I'm just going to be doing month and year. So let's take a quarter, day. There you go, month and year. That is perfect. Now I did do a little formatting that I thought was nice to make sure that the visual looked good and followed some of the other formatting. So I'm going to actually go up here and hit general, and in the title, I'm actually going to make the title have that background blue color too. And not underline. The font is the Segu Bold, and the text color is white. There you go. So that matches some of the formatting here above. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to Control-C, Control-V, bring this down here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create this bar chart where I have my sales, but instead of that order date in my y-axis, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to grab the items of the hierarchy we saw in the viz. So we're going to go category. And then all you have to do is, it's really cool. Power BI enables you to go up and down hierarchies really quickly. So I'm actually just going to bring a subcategory. I'm going to drop it in. You see the yellow line that gets created. I'm going to drop it in right under category. You see nothing has changed here, but that will change in 1 second. And lastly, we needed product name. So we're going to go ahead and drop that right here. So now what this enables you to do is you have a hierarchy. You can't see it yet because it is not. It's not showing here. We're still at the category level. So there's a couple ways we can do this. We can go here, and then if you click on the visual, you'll see the items in the header. So we can either expand all levels down one hierarchy, we can expand to the next level hierarchy, or what we can do is we can turn on the drill down with a click, which is pretty cool. So what we're going to do is I'm going to click on technology, and now you'll see that has now driven down a level that's to say sales by category and subcategory now. And I can actually just go one more down. So now what I'm in is my category, subcategory, and my product name. So I'm all the way down to the copier level, and these are only the product names that are in that copier level. To go up, I can just click drill up. I can also go to the next level in the hierarchy, so it's just breaking them out, not necessarily filtering, right? You can see the trend line at the top doesn't change because I'm actually expanding all the level of hierarchies on this option. But if I do the drill down, I'm going to click into furniture. Now I'm only looking at furniture. You can see that the chart, the line chart at the top changes. So if I go to bookcases, now I'm looking at that the bookcases subcategory only, and these are the breakouts of the bookcases sales for all those product names. So that's how you do it. It's very quick, very simple. You just drag in the levels of hierarchy into the y-axis that you want to see after the bar chart, and then you're able to navigate using these options here in the header. Super cool. And so we recreated this Tableau Viz in no time. So I hope you all enjoyed this and found this helpful. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope to see you next week.